Good morning, children. Hope you have read and understood the poem Macavity. So, let us turn to the textual question answers. We will do the textual question answer working with the poem. First one, read the first stanza and think. Is Macavity a cat really? No, Macavity is not a cat really. Second one, if not, who can Macavity be? Macavity is just a fictional character created by the poet whose actions resembles those of a crook. Now second one, complete the following sentences. A master criminal is one who dash. Who can defy the law. The Scotland Yard is baffled because answer, whenever they reach the scene of the crime, they cannot find Macavity. Now third one, dash because Macavity moves much faster than them. Answer is nobody can catch him at the scene of crime because Macavity moves faster than them. Third question, a cat, I am sure, could walk in a cloud without coming through. Julius Verne. Which law is Macavity breaking in the light of the comment above? Answer is Macavity is breaking the law of gravity. Fourth question, read stanza 3 and then describe Macavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. Answer, Macavity is a ginger cat who is very tall and thin with sunken eyes and brow deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed, its coat is dusty and whiskers are uncombed. It sways its head from side to side and it is always wide awake even when one thinks that it is half asleep. Say false or true for each of the following statements. First one, Macavity is not an ordinary cat. It's true. Second one, Macavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. Second answer, it is false. Macavity's power of levitation would make a fakir stare in disbelief. Third one, Macavity has supernatural powers. Answer is true. Fourth one, Macavity is well dressed, smart and bright. Answer is false. Macavity is not well dressed as its coat is dusty out of neglect. His eyes are sunken and not bright. Fifth one, Macavity is a spy, trickster and a criminal all rolled in one. Answer is true. Sixth question, having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call Macavity a fiend and monster? Question we have already read. Answer, yes. Answer is, it seems like the poet is fond of cats. He calls Macavity a fiend and a monster because he might have wanted to portray an evil side. He might have used a cat in order to create a negative character who is a criminal and escapes easily from the police. The quick movement of a cat into its mysterious eyes might have influenced him to create this evil character in the form of a cat. Now seventh question, has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Find a few examples of it and read those lines aloud. Answer is the poet has used exaggeration. The lines are, first, he breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the Flying Scots' despair, a faint. Write all the question answers in your notebook and see you tomorrow in a new topic. Till then, bye.